Hey guys, welcome to part 4. What I'm going to be doing now is, again, I'm doing a repair on a Cintiq 22HD or a DTK-2200, and I have found the 10 microfarad capacitor on the display board, which was shorted. And what I'm doing now is I have an old circuit board from some TV somewhere, and I'm going to find a capacitor. Not an exact match, because the capacitor they use in that is actually like a low profile wide capacitor. It's kind of weird, it's not really common. So last time on the other one I pulled off one that was close enough. So I'm just going to look for something close to 10 microfarads and close enough to be soldered onto that board. That's really all that matters to me. So I got my hot air gun set at 450. I figured out why I had it at 450 and the air speed is at 8. My max setting is 8. I just turned up all the way. I'm using a 852D plus SMD rework station. So I've got my hot air station on really high. Don't do that. At least don't do that and hold it in the same place like I did last week and burn myself. It's a really bad idea. All right. Even though it's not a hair dryer. It's really hot air. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna go around. There's a bunch of capacitors over here in this power section of the board. Do I have a good view? Yeah, good view. We do. Okay. So I'm just gonna, yeah, like right over here is where I got some last time. So this little guy right here, it's marked C150 or something like that. But I'm gonna blow some hot air near it. Go in little tiny circles. Spread it a little. I'm not just going to take one, I'm just going to take a few different ones off and put it in my little thing. I'm just going to take a few off, pluck them, put them in my bin, because I'm going to need a few of these today, so I'm going to try to find like 3 or 4. I've got a few Cintiqs I'm in the middle of working on. Fuck, come on. Speed up. Sometimes they need a little focus, otherwise it won't really cook off. Let me see if that went on. No, I'll just take a few at a time. Actually, I'll just take one at a time. So I didn't take the exact size, because I know that these are like near a power circuit. So I'm putting on 20 microfarads, because that's what the maximum measurement will be. And I'm going to measure across the little bottom solder leads here, and we are going to get, well, it's definitely not 0. 9.4, that's close enough to 10. This one, so I'm going to take a couple. Oops. I'm going to take a couple more capacitors that are this guy's size, because they're what I used last time. They fit on the board. They did good. So there's 2 more right over here. Just going to pluck them off. Give them some concentrated air. Come on. Come on, pluck. Actually, I'm going to put these out here for the moment. Come on. There we go. Fuck you up. Over here you go. You know what? Might as well take another couple. There's another couple. Get off of it. Get off of it. There's a couple different sizes over here. I'm going to take one of these. Alright, so we got like 4 capacitors. Some of them got to be the right size. Right, this one we tested. You were good. I'm going to put you over in the corner. And then you are in the testing chamber next. What are you? What's your capacitance? You're exactly 10. I like you a lot. There's a little bit of variance, I guess, on the capacitors for these, but it really doesn't have to be that specific. I think for this circuit, with my limited electrical engineering expertise, that one's very close to 10. Yeah, it looks like we've got quite a few matches over here. I'm going to put these in my magnetic bin so that I can't lose them, and I can just pull them over in the middle of the circuit. Okay. And there's another one pretty close to 10. Right around the 10 mark. So we're good. I'm going to put these over in my random Cintiq parts section. These are from a bunch of DTZ-2100s, so I'm never going to use those screws again because I got tired of the DTK. I get tired of the DTZs because they're not worth anything anymore. Somebody wants me to fix one, I might, but they're just not worth a lot. It's like not worth it. Alright, so I got 4 of them. 4 little 10 capacitors. They'll fit on the board. What did I just drop? Oh, a little ball solder. Okay. Alright, so this is my totally useless board. This is going to go backward. But that's how you hunt for a thing. I just happen to know already from the last time I did this that those were going to be 10 microfarads, but like if I were not sure, I probably would have put something a little larger, like this component here. This is off, so I don't know. This component here looked like it was an easier fit. Like I'm going to have some pretty big solder bridges for when I put these little guys on the board, but whatever, it'll work. Sometimes you got to make it work, unless you want to custom order, you know, a 100 pack of capacitors from Mauser, but then you got to wait, and I don't know. It's cheaper and easier to use stuff that's already there, and that'll probably never die. Probably. If it does, oh well. You can replace it again. Alright. Oh, hot air's going off. Going back to the 2200, and we will fix it. So just add that little part on, and then we'll close it. Well, then I'm going to take the board off and do something else, but we'll get there in a moment. Alright. Here we go. Where's the button?